Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning students. Today we study English in P5. We study about language focus 2. Nah, in language focus 2 we just focus in zero conditional. Okay, what is zero conditional? We can I will explain from this slide. So open your student book page 12. Now, before we go to your student book, look at my slide. This is about zero conditional. Zero conditional or conditional sentence type O is conditional sentence that we use when the result or consequence from condition always materialized because this is scientific fact or generated, that is habitual activity. Oke, maksudnya apa? Nah, maksudnya di sini itu conditional type O, conditional sentence type O itu merupakan conditional sentence yang kita gunakan ketika hasil dari suatu kondisi itu terwujud. Jadi maksudnya adalah the zero conditional itu about condition that has a result. Nah, this is about specific fact, fakta ilmiah atau juga generated, kebenaran umum. Jadi setiap zero conditional itu has a condition and has a result. Nah, look at this. Teacher, right here if zero conditional is about a condition that has a result. Jadi dia punya yang namanya condition. Condition di sini angan-angannya. For example, if the wind blows, the heads move. Conditionnya itu conditional sentence-nya if the wind blows. Nah, hasilnya apa resultnya? The heads move. Nah, look at the pattern. Nah, condition here, this is from subordinate clause with subordinate conjunction. Okay, subordinate clause with subordinate conjunction. Maksudnya apa? Conditional di sini merupakan bentuk subordinate clause ataupun subordinate conjunction using if or when, menggunakan if ataupun when. Sedangkan resultnya or consequence-nya itu berada di dalam main clause. Nah, bagian conditional clause itu atau if plus condition itu and main clause or result itu sama-sama using simple present tense atau verb one. Look at this. This is the pattern. This is complex sentence. Complex sentence ini maksudnya adalah si zero conditional. Zero conditional. There is subordinate clause. What is subordinate clause? Subordinate clause ini adalah conditionnya. If plus condition. Nah, patternnya if or when plus simple present. And main clause-nya itu adalah si result atau consequence-nya. This is the example from the sentences. For example, if I sleep late, I am sleepy at work. Jika saya tidur terlambat, saya mengantuk di tempat kerja. This is condition-nya. This is condition. If I sleep late, maka resultnya apa? I am sleepy at work. Ini merupakan habitual activity. Okay, more example. If you dry fruits or vegetables, they lose the nutrient and calorie. Jika kamu mengeringkan buah atau sayuran, mereka akan kehilangan nutrisi dan kalori. Jika kamu mengeringkan buah atau sayuran, mereka kehilangan nutrisi dan kalori. Nah, so conditionnya apa? If you dry fruits or vegetables, nah hasilnya apa? Konsekuensinya apa? They lose the nutrient or calorie. There is condition and there is main clause. Ini, for example, patternnya itu if or when plus simple present. This is if. This is if, ini for negative sentence. This is if, kemudian simple present. Nah, drink itu verb one, menggunakan verb one. If plus simple present. If one doesn't drink after doing exercise, one gets a dehydrate. Nah, katanya di situ conditionnya itu jika orang tidak minum setelah berlatih, konsekuensinya apa? Orang bakal dehidrasi. Okay, this is some explanation about zero conditional. Okay, next, this is your workbook. This is your student book. Open your student book, page 12. Okay, look at part 1. There are 6 pictures here. Okay, there are 6 pictures here. Okay, what is it? Okay, now the instruction here, match the plane name with the pictures and answer in pairs. What do you know about these planes? Now, to know these planes, you look the picture. After that, you match here. For example, number 1. This is coconut. So coconut number 1, you match here, number 1. And then number 2, dandelion. Where is dandelion? Okay, you search here. Right, where is dandelion? Where is mistletoe? Where is poppy and sycamore? Okay, you write here. After that, in the second part, listen, read, and check your ideas. Now, I will read, you listen. Okay, I will read and you please listen. After you listen to me, you read more and you check your idea. Apa idenya? Nanti teacher akan jelasin. Okay, listen to me. How seeds move. When plants make seeds, the seeds cannot all grow close to the plant because they need space. They need to move to a different place. This is called seed dispersal, and it happens in different ways. The wind moves the seeds of some plants. Dandelion seeds are very light. If it's windy, the seeds blow far away from the plant. Poppy seed heads have little holes around the top. When the wind blows, the heads move and the seeds fall in different directions. Sycamore seeds have special wings. They can fly in the wind. Fruits contain seeds. The fruits of some plants can float on water. Coconut trees grow near water. If a coconut falls into the sea, it travels a long way. If the coconut finds land, a new tree grows. Oh, I'm sorry, this is blur. Some plants, like peas, grow their fruit inside pots. When the fruit is ready, the pods explode and the seeds fly in different directions. Animals move seeds too. Some plants have fruit that animals like to eat. If a bird eats an apple, the apple seeds move to a new place in the bird's droppings. Some plants, like mistletoe, have sticky seeds. If an animal passes these plants, the seeds stick to its fur. Then the animal carries the seeds to a new place. Okay, after you listen, please read more. After you read, please you underline. Okay, you underline what is the zero conditional here. Okay, you underline. For example, look at this. If it's windy, the seeds blow far away from the plane. Okay, this is zero conditional. If it's windy, this is the condition and the result. The seeds blow far away from the plane. Okay, so you find out you find out the zero conditional from this text. Okay, next. After that, you read the text again and match the sentence help. Okay, you match, for example, if a plane makes seeds, so match with D, the seeds need to move to a different plane. Okay, do more number 2 until number 5. And then next, this is your workbook. Okay, do your workbook, page 10. Okay, this is on is also page 10. Only page 10. Okay, part 1 write sentences, then complete the example. Okay, nah, this is part 1, the end, and then part 2 read and complete the text, and this is your workbook is also part 3. Okay, so do your workbook page 10 from part 1 until part 3. Okay, I think enough our material today. Thank you for your attention. If you have some question, you can ask me by WhatsApp. Okay, thank you so much for your attention. Good morning. Bye bye.